Good morning, February 7th, Saturday. Time keeps moving forward. Yet on weekends we long to slow it down a little, to breathe deeper, look around more attentively, and simply be with ourselves. Today, in Advent Embrace, we open the page of wisdom, a space for gentle reflection and calm contemplation. Today's message is: your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are seeds. You can grow flowers or weeds. This idea is ancient, passed on, reshaped, and enriched over time, because it carries a simple and profound truth. We cannot always control which thoughts appear, but we can choose which ones we give power to. We often treat our thoughts as something random, like background noise. Yet every thought we linger on begins to take root. Fears, doubts, and inner criticism are fast-growing weeds. They grow on their own when the garden is left unattended. Gratitude, self-belief, calmness, and trust in life are delicate flowers. They need attention, light, and care. Our thoughts do not create results instantly, but they create the soil in which our life grows. Conscious mental gardening transcends the roots of inner peace and gradually helps us cultivate a garden of harmony. If my mind is a garden, I choose to plant it with inspiration, health, happiness, and nourishing knowledge. Weeds may appear. That is natural. But regular care helps the garden bloom again and again. Today, I invite you to a small practice. Throughout the day, whenever you notice an anxious or negative thought, gently pause and say to yourself, "Thank you for this thought. This is a weed seed, and I calmly let it go." Then consciously replace it with, "I choose to believe in calm, support in myself." At first, you may need to do this often, and that's okay. Every meaningful process requires time and consistency. You are not your thoughts. You are the gardener who decides what is allowed to grow and what remains outside the fence of your peace. Let us choose our thought seeds wisely, so that our minds may flourish. May your life be filled with fragrance of the most beautiful flowers that you plant today. Your advance embrace.